Hey, what is going on everybody? I'm Riz and you're watching the YouTube guide. Today, actually, I'm gonna turn this $100 camera. By the way, if you wanna buy this camera, I have a full video on this one. I'll link that up here or in the description box below, okay? So I'm gonna turn this $100 camera, actually $150 because I bought this with the bundle, with the 50mm bundle. Anyways. So, by the way, all the links will be in the description box below if you want to buy any of these items, any of the stuff that I use, the cheap lights that I use. Anyways, all right, so I'm gonna turn this $150 camera into a cinematic beast. Now, to know if it's a beast or not, I'm gonna be comparing this to a $1,000 camera. Okay, so I'm not gonna be naming the $1,000 camera just yet, by the way. And this is a T3i or Canon 600D. So yeah, I have like tons of videos on this baby, so if you want to watch these, I will link every single video on this camera in the description box below, so you can definitely check it out if you're just starting out on YouTube. So let's just dive right into it. All right, so let's say Apple contacted us and asked us to make a Apple commercial on the new iPhone, right? So you don't have a camera, you don't have red cameras, and what should we do, right? Let's say we have this $150 camera. So yeah, let's see what this little thing can actually do if you use it to perfection. So I made a little commercial. Let's watch it. It's like a cinematic commercial, okay? So let's watch it and come back. How was it? Pretty cool, right? All right, so now it's time to, let's say we rented a $1,000 camera. So let's say we are using a $1,000 camera and see how it comes out. All right, sure. Disclaimer, by the way, the $1,000 camera is crispy compared to this one. I mean, this is pretty old, like 11 years old compared to somewhere like 2 years old or something. So the point is that, yes, sure, the $1,000 camera is gonna be crispy, but I mean, just watch it for yourself, okay? Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think, all right? All right, so what do you think? Definitely let me know in the comment section below, okay? So we're not going to be talking about the specs on this thing. It's just simple Canon DSLR with a flippy screen, as you can see. I have tons of great videos on this one. I will link every single video in the comment section below. And if you're in the market for a really starting camera for your YouTube channel, for your awesome YouTube videos, and it's 1080p as well, so definitely check this one out. I found a lot of bundles on eBay starting from $150 to $180 depending on the lens they are with. So I bought this bundle with the 50mm and the kit lens for $155 with shipping, if I'm not wrong. But people are complaining that this thing actually costs $200 now. So, but I'm still like seeing a lot of bundles with $150. Don't buy this camera standalone. The body, don't buy it like as is. Don't buy it as is, okay? Buy it with a bundle, because bundles are cheaper than the the actual body. So yeah, if you want to buy this on Amazon is pretty expensive, but I'll link that below as well. And I hope you liked the tutorial. Just wanted to showcase that you really don't need an expensive camera. If you know how to use the camera, it's gonna be pretty easy. So no gimbals were used, by the way. Every single shot that you saw was every single shot that you watched was on tripod, the really cheap tripod, by the way, 15 bucks, and simple lighting. All the links, as I said before, in the description box below. And yeah, no gimbals, just handheld and tripod. That's pretty much it. And yeah, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Be sure to subscribe, by the way. A lot of great content coming soon.